What is a miracle? Today I learned the law of love, that what I give my brother is my gift to me. As much as we can understand oneness and we see it happening, or we can conceptually grasp it in our minds, it really is an experiential thing. It's something that you really have to get into the experience of. And that's understandable. It is a little confusing when you try to have oneness and separation. Like they're in their own universe, but I'm in my own universe, and they're manifesting their life, and I'm manifesting my life, and we're one underneath, but not right now. It gets really tricky. That's why we always want to fall back and default with the dream analogy, because it is very helpful that at least you've had one vivid dream in your life as sleeping dream. And you've talked to other people, and you've probably thought it was a pretty miraculous experience that might even actually have been them. Whoa, the dead person that you talked to. And yet, in your sleeping dream, everyone you talk to is yourself. It's literally your brain, and you're seeing thoughts, images made of these people, including what they say, how they feel, what you're doing with them. I mean, for every celebrity I've had intimate relations with, if it was real, oh man, I'd have a lot of babies out there. But I don't know what to say. Not as many as you might imagine, okay? It's all in your head. It's all in your head. Now, of course, there is metaphysical principles about it that we really can join together in dreams, but that's because it's all in your head. Me, all of us, already are in your head. It's not too dramatic and amazing to get in your dream sleeping head. We're already in your head. We're already in your dream. So the forgiveness that you offer me, again, you're forgiving yourself. You're allowing yourself to see beyond what you've made yourself to be. Insisting that you are this particular less than, small, insignificant, something or other person. Pretty or ugly. Makes no difference. Definitions that all need and are capable of forgiving, so that you can see what we actually are, so you can see the reality that is actually here. That's what you want as a miracle worker. If you really honestly want it, you're going to be dedicating and determined to forgive everything, every step of the way. You want to forgive it. You want to heal it. You want to find more. Find more. You got to get out there, because I need more to forgive, right? Got to get into my crazy experiences because I need to forgive and done, right? And you'll find that they just kind of fall away. You're on the right path. You're doing it perfect. Just remember that that's what it's for. Doesn't matter what it is, good or bad. It's for your healing, your forgiving, so that you can see the reality of what it actually is. If it's a sickness, if it's pain, if it's suffering, emotions, a diet problem, every time, no matter what it is, You're learning to see past it. You are guided every step of the way in what particular things you possess that we need to see innocent.